Welcome back to my channel. I am Laura Castell, and today I am going to be making neon kangaroo. Okay, shall we? Let's go. I'll put the first one. Oh my god, this is so big. And also don't forget to click the subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much. Okay, I'm gonna put the second one.
Yeah.
Okay, and the next third one. I'm so excited. Okay, go. Okay, guys. So this is subscribe, like, comment, and watch the video to the end. I'm gonna the last one. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and like the channel. So 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my god! Oh my goodness. This is so cool. But is it a glitch? Oh, something wrong. Wow, look at this, guys. Okay, if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to sub and like the channel. So bye guys.